Hola mis amigos, welcome back to another video. So today, guess where we're going? Yes, peeps, you guessed it. We are at YS Falls in St. Elizabeth. It's a very beautiful property. I'm like a board bus right now because I am excited. Driver, do patrol right there. So, and over there is the river. It's a part of the river, and as you can see, it is a little bit brown, and that's due to some rains that have been falling since week. And I mean, it was a bit rainy today, but I didn't care, really and truly. I just wanted to get outside right there. So, and that is the property looking so beautiful over there. The drive was really long, but I didn't really care because it's all in the experience, right? So we never stop. Driver, let me off dash mirror right there. So driver. So after the driver kindly dashed me away, I headed towards the pool because the girls gotta have fun. So this pool over here is one of the warm water pools. They call it warm water because it's warmer than the other pool around the other side. It has a capacity of 40 and the other one has a capacity of 50 persons. So so all people are bungle up in a COVID time, but whatever, YOLO, right? Yeah, don't tell nobody to miss that. Don't tell Andrew to miss that, please. Alright, so I'm going to enjoy my little self and I've got my little self right here. So I kind of shot, I'm not supposed to do it because I could have risked my life, but YOLO, right there. So over there is the cold water pool. Some brave heart, strong heart, lion heart people over there. So I'm strong enough, come into the water cold. You don't think Antarctica you there? Or Canada? God no. Alright, true. But anyways, I'm not ready for going there so yet. I'm going to show you guys the falls. Oh, this is a zip line. I think Chaka coordinates it. You can just pay $2,500. If you want to kill off yourself, it is totally up to you. Pay money over there, so go on the zip line. Enjoy your life, cause YOLO, right? So ahead is the falls. That's what we call YS Falls. I mean, what is YS Falls without the falls, right? However, bad news. The falls was a bit dirty because of the rains, as I've been saying previously, and the water is coming a little bit heavier than usual, as you can see. I'm gonna zoom up on this so you can see it better. So it looks pretty though. To me, it looks very pretty dangerous. Watch the body there. Watch body. Watch still good. No man. Any man will have our most lucky. They most happy if you go to them bed and wake up beside her man inside and just squeeze it and say, baby, me love you. God no. Came down and I had to cut from the falls, guys. Can you believe it? Okay, guys, so you have one of two options. Either you carry your food from your yard, carry your bread and your chicken and then something there, or prepare to pay the tourist price. The price is ridiculous, but I was hungry. I had no other option. I'm telling you, food tastes bad. I wouldn't recommend. Me spend money. It no matter how much money me spend money at it waste. Anyways, that's the least of my problem. Go back into the pool and enjoy myself. As I look upon the pool, nice and pretty and great. And I realized that COVID time she for social distance. She's a hitch up right side. I made it there first, to be honest. But watch people. Anyways, whatever you said, try start up at the pool because I feel like I get tall overnight. I don't know. The pool is like 5 feet and I'm like 4'11", so yeah, obviously that would work. And then came the rain, of course. Anywhere I go, rain after fall. Why? Anywhere I go, on the can't love me to the dolly like what me doing. And then I bought one of these shoes Steve because I really wanted one. Me always a borrow. Now me have my own shoes, nobody can chat to me. Yes, sanitize guys, remember to sanitize. So boss come back for me, and yeah, see them have them COVID protector. Protect them from we, I guess, and watch the horses. Anyways, bye guys, it's the end of the video. I'll see you next time.